Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Valve Index. First, confirm your Valve Index headset is connected and powered on, and Steam VR is installed and updated on your computer. You will need a stable internet connection for downloading a few essential third-party tools. This method allows Roblox to interpret your virtual reality hardware as a compatible display. Preparing your system with these foundational steps ensures a smoother transition into virtual worlds, making this the only reliable way to achieve full virtual reality on your system. Begin by downloading the Roblox Open XR companion application from its official source. This small program acts as the bridge between Roblox and your Steam VR setup. Next, confirm that Steam VR is correctly set as your default Open XR runtime within its developer settings menu. Updating your graphics drivers to their latest versions is also crucial for smooth performance and to prevent any potential visual glitches. Follow the on-screen prompts for each installation carefully, restarting your computer if instructed. With the software installed, first launch Steam VR and allow it to fully initialize your Valve Index headset. Then, open the Roblox Open XR companion application. It should automatically detect your Steam VR environment and Roblox installation. Within the companion app settings, verify that your headset is recognized and the status indicates readiness. You might find options for adjusting render resolution or other performance tweaks here. Keeping them at default for your first run is often advisable for smoother gameplay. Now, with Steam VR running and the companion app active, simply launch any Roblox game from your desktop as you normally would. Select a game offering a first-person perspective for the best virtual reality experience. The companion application will automatically detect the running Roblox instance and inject the necessary virtual reality commands. You should then see the game displaying directly in your Valve Index headset, with your head movements controlling the camera. Enjoy exploring the vast Roblox universe in full three-dimensional immersion, experiencing your favorite worlds anew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.